You can change Terastal type by selecting from here. For example, you select water. You first have to collect 80 pieces of this before you can use it on your Pokemon. Along with changing the type of your Terastal is upgrading. If you want to change it, you have to upgrade it, but with a different Terastal type. And if you just want to upgrade it without changing it, then collect 80 pieces of this with the same Terastal type. Now, where do you get this Terastal material? In the Terastal copy, there are refresh time on when you can access it or find it in the map. There are locations on where you can find the Terastal challenges. You will battle the legendary Pokemon with Terastal on, and you have to defeat it to get the certain Terastal material type. Each place has different difficulties from 1-star T-Or, which is the easiest place to defeat the Terastal challenge, to the 5-star T-Or, which is the hardest one. Now that I'm in Cerulean City, I will find the Terastal challenges here and I will show you. There's one. Oh, there's one here too. You see, it's a normal type Terastal. And reminder, you can't catch it. Now that it's a normal type Terastal, you will get a normal type Terastal material when you defeat it. There, I got the normal type Terastal material. Now let's go to that other one I saw earlier. It's a fighting type Terastal. Alright, that's all for now everybody. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one.